Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we have given 6 divided 3 whole 1 by 2. Many people fail to solve this. So let's learn what's the proper way to solve this type of problem. First, convert this mixed fraction. So 6 divided, how to convert? Write the denominator like this. Multiply the whole with denominator and add the numerator. So 6 divided 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 by 2. So 6 divided 6 plus 1 is 7 by 2. Now what we have to do, here I'm going to use the KCF rule, which says that K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. How does it work? Keep the left hand, change the symbol of division to multiplication, and flip the right hand. That it becomes 2 by 7. Now, simply multiply the numerator with numerators, that is 12 by 7. Or you can write in mixed form, that is 7 times 1 is 7, and here 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.